Okay, we have this question here. So it's a equals half bracket x plus y, end of bracket, and basically the question wants us to make x the subject. Okay, so with this type of question, with the x inside the bracket, the first step would be to expand the bracket. So you'd get a equals half x, okay, half times x, plus half y. Okay, and then after that you want to make x the subject, so you want the x to be on one side and everything else to be on the other side. So this thing here needs to go to the other side, okay, so the x can stay on one side. So then what you'll have is half x equals a minus half y, and then we don't want half x, we want 1x, don't we? So we need to times this side by 2. That side needs to be times by 2. So therefore that side needs to be times by 2 as well. And then you'll, in the end, you'll have x equals 2a minus y, because half y times 2 is y. Or the other way you could do it, you could just do a minus half y, put the brackets on, and then put a 2 on the outside. So that would be right, and that would be right. It depends on which way you want to write the answer, and that's how you do it.